An architectural floor plan is a scaled diagram of a building's layout, viewed from above. It represents the spatial arrangement of rooms, walls, doors, windows, fixtures, and sometimes furniture. Floor plans are essential components in the design and construction process, providing a visual representation of how space will be used and organized within a structure. Components of a floor plan. Rooms and spaces. Clearly defined areas such as bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and living rooms. Walls. Interior and exterior boundaries that define the structure and layout. Doors and windows, marked by standardized symbols to indicate their placement and how they open. Dimensions, measurements showing lengths, widths, and sometimes ceiling heights. Labels, names of rooms or areas for easy identification. Fixtures, permanent items like sinks, toilets, bathtubs, and cabinetry. Furniture, optional use to demonstrate scale and potential layouts. Types of floor plans. 2D floor plans. Simple, flat representations showing layout and dimensions. 3D floor plans, rendered perspectives that give a sense of depth and space, useful for visualization. Site plans, include the building footprint in relation to its surroundings like landscaping and roads. Electrical and mechanical plans, specialized overlays that show wiring, plumbing, HVAC systems, etc. Uses of floor plans. Design and planning. Helps architects and designers visualize the space and make informed design choices. Ensures efficient space utilization and adherence to building codes. Construction. Guides builders and contractors in executing the design. Coordinates work among different trades, electrical, plumbing, structural, etc. Real estate. Helps potential buyers or renters understand the property layout. Enhances marketing materials by providing spatial context. Renovation and interior design. Assists in planning modifications or furniture arrangements. Provides a reference for adding new systems or redesigning interiors. Facility management. Aids in space planning, maintenance scheduling, and emergency planning in commercial or institutional buildings. Conclusion. Architectural floor plans are crucial tools in both the design and practical execution of buildings. They bridge the gap between conceptual ideas and physical structures, ensuring that spaces are not only visually appealing but also functional and compliant with regulations. Whether for new construction, remodeling, or marketing, floor plans are an indispensable part of the architectural process. Design and planning are foundational processes in a wide range of fields, from architecture and engineering to business strategy, software development, and event management. While closely related, they serve distinct yet complementary roles in shaping outcomes effectively and efficiently. What is design? Design refers to the process of envisioning and creating solutions to specific problems. It involves conceptualizing ideas, arranging elements purposefully, and focusing on both functionality and aesthetics. Design can be visual, structural, or functional depending on the domain. Key elements of design include creativity and innovation, user-centered focus, functionality and feasibility, aesthetic appeal. What is planning? Planning is the process of organizing actions and resources to achieve specific goals within a given time frame. It includes forecasting outcomes, setting objectives, and outlining steps to reach desired results. Planning often precedes execution and is key to managing risks and resources. Key elements of planning include goal setting, resource allocation, timeline creation, risk assessment, monitoring and evaluation. Uses of design and planning. 1. Architecture and engineering. Design, blueprints, structural layouts, and interior aesthetics. Planning, construction schedules, budgeting, and compliance with regulations. 2. Business and management. Design, branding, marketing campaigns, organizational structure. Planning, strategic roadmaps, financial planning, market analysis. 3. Software development. Design, user interface, UI, system architecture, user experience, UX. Planning, project management timelines, e.g., Agile, Scrum, resource distribution. 4. Education. Design, curriculum development, instructional design. Planning, academic calendars, lesson plans, and resource scheduling. 5. Event management. Design, event theme, layout, and visual elements. Planning. Vendor coordination, timeline management, guest logistics. 6. Urban and environmental planning. Design, zoning maps, green spaces, infrastructure layout. Planning, long-term city development, sustainability strategies. Why are design and planning important? Efficiency, reduce waste of time, money, and resources. Clarity, provide a clear roadmap for stakeholders. Risk reduction, anticipate and mitigate potential problems. Creativity and innovation, foster new ideas and solutions. Success measurement, enable tracking progress and adjusting as needed. Conclusion. Design and planning are crucial for turning ideas into actionable realities. Together, they bring structure to creativity and direction to vision, ensuring that objectives are met in a purposeful and sustainable manner. Whether building a bridge, launching a product, or organizing a festival, thoughtful design and careful planning are key to success. Renovation and interior design are closely related fields that focus on improving the functionality, aesthetics, and value of a space.